some 100 an hour on four-wheel drive, and I'll put the car in neutral, see how far it goes. I will take this scale exit because I don't want to impede the traffic and get people mad, and I have enough room to go around. So I'm at 70. $60. 50. 40. 1 kilometer. Okay, so 30. 20. 5. So I would say it went about 1.3 kilometer, which it's almost the same like when I was in a two-wheel drive. So what I did, I tried to measure the distance, rolling distance of the car in neutral, so with no engine engagement at all, and I wanted to see if I have any type of friction, any type of rubbing in stuff like that, like bad oil in the differential, in the transfer case. And I drove at 100 kilometers an hour, put it in neutral, in two-wheel drive, and it was 1.3 kilometers after I put it in neutral. Then the car stopped. Then I did the same test in four-wheel drive, and it went about the same. I assume that it will reduce my distance by 200-300 meters, but no, it's almost the same. It could be different road, could be maybe 100 plus minus 100 meters, but I wanted to see what happens if I lose the brakes. So of course, if I lose the brakes, if I have no brake control, I would put it in the first gear, right? And even I overstress the engine or the mechanism, at least I don't hurt anyone and I don't wreck my car or someone else's car. Or in a worst case scenario, you know what? Forget about the car, you know, if you have to stop, you do something, put it in reverse or something, I don't know. I did once on my old Toyota Corolla by accident. I was going maybe 30 kilometers an hour and I put it in reverse and I could hear some popping, some gears like crack, crack, crack in the transmission for a couple of seconds. And I said, oopsie, I wrecked it. But the car went fine after that. So maybe skipped a couple of teeth and like gears or something, I don't know. Maybe the clutch, the torque converter took some of that stress, I have no idea. But I could hear those metallic gear type of noises, which were not correct type of sound, and I thought, ooh, I wrecked it. In any case, so yeah, my car works fine, so I'm happy about the test. But now I know if I lose the brakes, like a broken hose, something is wrong with the brakes, master cylinder or something like that, then I know, you know, this is the distance I will go on a flat surface, from 100 km/h on highway all the way to stop. Okay, talk to you later, bye bye.